Presenting the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 7, slimmer, smarter, and stronger than ever before. Just 143.2mm wide and 4.2mm thin when unfolded, and 72.8mm wide with 8.9mm thickness when folded. Built with Gorilla Glass Victus Ceramic 2 on the cover, Gorilla Glass Victus 2 at the back, a plastic inner panel, and an aluminum frame for strength. Weighing just 215 grams, it stands as Samsung's lightest fold yet. Built tough with IP48, dust and water resistance. Powered by Android 16 and One UI 8, with long-term support of 7 OS upgrades. Powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite, 3nm, for cutting-edge performance. Up to 1TB storage with 12GB RAM, or 16GB on the top variant. Featuring a 200MP main lens, 10MP zoom, and 12MP ultra-wide. It comes with smooth dynamic LTPO, AMOLED 2X display. This phone comes with stunning ultra-high-resolution display, shielded by MOS Level 1 screen protection. If we talk about the battery, you get 4,400 mAh of reliable power for smooth all-day use. Designed to keep up with you, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 delivers all-day playback without compromise. If you want style, strength, and smart innovation in a single device, the Galaxy Z Fold 7 delivers it all with elegance.